Hi, I'm Dr. Blair Masters, and I wanted to talk today about supplements that you can take that help things like mental decline, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Lewy body, dementia, senility, any kind of mental decline. These are going to make a difference. Now, it's not just these. I recommend taking a holistic approach to your health, as I mentioned in some other videos. And I have a longer form video on the link down below, and I'd recommend that you click on that where I go into more detail on this, as well as a number of other things that you can do to help that and the approach that we take at AccuSmart. But let me get into this just a little bit here. One of the first things that I recommend is omega-3 fish oil. It is extremely helpful not only with the cell membrane, but also with the inflammation in the brain. So it really helps in a couple different ways. Um, Fish oil is primarily omega-3s, but coconut oil is also extremely good. It's more mostly filled with omega-9s. It's very inexpensive. I recommend organic coconut oil. You can get it at any good, even grocery store. Walmart has it these days. A couple of supplements to look for: phosphatidylserine and phosphatidylcholine. These are both things that really help your brain function better. A couple of herbs that are really good, lots of studies on these: ginkgo biloba, valerian, dong quai, cayenne. Aren't used for cooking, but cayenne is, and these are great for brain function, but these are really good to increase blood supply to the brain as well as other parts of the body too. There's a number of amino acids that really can help with communication between the cells in the brain, and that's really what things are all about when it comes to brain health: is can the cells talk to each other and get things done? Can this part of your brain tell your arm to raise itself up and move your fingers and that sort of thing? It's all about communication. 5-hydroxytryptophan, arginine, um, methionine, lysine. These are all things that help communication in the brain. So look for supplements that have these. Magnesium, selenium, zinc, chromium have all been shown to help. B vitamin, B complex, vitamin C. I cannot overstate how good vitamin C is for everything in the body, including brain function. Vitamin E. And then if you can find a supplement, we have several that we recommend here at AccuSmart, but if you can find a supplement that has brain in it, there's nothing you can do to take that will build up an organ better than taking that organ. So when you have problems with brain development, brain decline, taking brain can be very, very helpful. And there's a limited number of supplement companies that offer that, but they're very, very helpful when you find those. And we make some recommendations on that. Ribonucleic acid and deoxyribonucleic acid, which is DNA and RNA. These are things that really help the brain function better as well when they're taken in supplement form. One of the omega-3s that I recommend, this is the one that I take on a regular basis, Nordic Naturals. You can get it at any good health food store, and it really is very, very helpful. I can't tell you how much omega-3s help in the form of fish oil. Anyway, click on the link below. I have a longer form video that goes into this and a lot of other things that you can do to help mental decline, and kind of talk about our approach that we take at AccuSmart for that kind of problem.